You know, God's only Son, Jesus, died for us on the cross so we don't have to die, so we could live with the Lord in heaven. Jesus defeated death and sin. Oh, this? This is called a Bible. It's a very important book. Look, that's God. Well, I like to think of it.